One tiny mistake, one icy road. Watch how winter turns big trucks into unstoppable weapons, where a single slip can mean total disaster. The Teamco Snowblast 16A is a beast. It clears a 16-inch path easily, saving my back from heavy lifting. A reliable tool for any American winter. Truly impressive. Watching this brings back memories. That 2022 ice was no joke. Stay safe and keep those sidewalks salted, neighbors. Grateful for our community spirit. Watching these 20-ton machines tumble is a wild reminder that safety always comes first. A bit of common sense goes a long way on the job site. Stay safe out there, folks. Seeing these folks drive 50 inches a 65 lane or miss stop signs is wild. Makes me miss the good old days. Stay safe out there, neighbors. Watching these 80,000 Welb rigs lose control is a sobering reminder to stay alert. Drive safe, keep your distance, and may God bless you on the road.
Ой, бля! Охуеть, а. 52-го, ёп твою мать. Ё.
Great job, Clarkstown Highway Depth. Seeing those plows clear 6+ inches of snow reminds me of the hard work that keeps our new city streets safe. We truly appreciate your dedication. Watching these 80,000-pound rigs lose control is a sobering reminder to stay alert. Safety first on our highways. Life is too precious for such reckless driving. Nothing beats a classic Bugatti WRX in its natural habitat. Watching this 250 HP legend carve through 5 inches of fresh powder is pure Americana. Still the king of the winter roads. Nothing beats seeing a 2006 Hawkeye pull a Bugatti out of deep mud. Real American spirit in action. Those Subis handled 10 inches of muck like pros. Great teamwork, fellas.
There we go.
Oh, Alex, somebody got run over. That's cool. Somebody got run over by a Subaru. I thought the new current's PP touches.
Okay, Andy, how many PP touches?
That's a lot.
Watching these 80,000-pound rigs lose control is a real wake-up call. Safety first, folks. God bless our skilled drivers who keep the roads safe every day. Pure grit. These miles of deep mud remind me of the frontier spirit, a true test of man and machine against the wild. Reminds me of the tough Alaskan routes. Seeing that WRX pull a heavy truck through inches of snow is incredible. True American grit meets Japanese engineering. Nothing beats a reliable AWD when the winter hits hard. Impressive power. Incredible footage. It's a reminder to stay alert. Even after 50 years of driving, these 80,000-pound trucks still demand our full respect. Stay safe out there, folks. True grit. These legends handle negative 40 degrees Fahrenheit like pros. Reminds me of the tough spirit back home. Pure respect for these ice road truckers. Watching these 100-ton rigs is a real reminder of the grit required on the road. Incredible skill, but one small slip leads to a massive disaster. Stay safe out there, folks. Watching these heavy rigs reminds us why safety training is vital. It's a miracle no one was hurt. Proper skill is worth more than a 100-ton crane. Stay safe out there, folks. Classic. Reminds me of the good old days when we learned life's lessons the hard way. A 6-foot-tall mistake, but handled with 100% honesty. True character right there. Watching these 20-ton crane fails reminds me why safety first matters. Back in my day, we respected the machinery. Stay safe out there, folks. Impressive power. This 2016 Garage Beagle makes clearing inches of heavy snow look easy. A real back saver for any homeowner. God bless American ingenuity and hard work. Witnessing these 80,000-pound rigs speeding on bad roads is a wake-up call. Safety at 60 miles per hour is no joke. Let's respect the rules to ensure we all get home to our families. True heroes, clearing 10+ inches of heavy snow to keep our communities safe. Reminds me of the old days. God bless these hard-working drivers. Incredible skill. It's a thin line between a job well done and a 10-ton disaster. Seeing these operators push their limits reminds us why safety and experience are worth every penny. Stay safe out there, folks. True American grit. Watching this massive rig tackle 4 feet of rushing water and deep mud is a masterclass in skill. A salute to the brave drivers keeping the wheels turning. God bless. The Snowblast M9000HD is a beast. That 10-foot clearing width makes easy work of the toughest drifts. Truly built American tough for a clean driveway every time. Great job. Heartbreaking to see such chaos. A reminder to stay safe when inches of snow turn roads into ice. Prayers for the drivers and those affected by the damage. Stay warm, friends. Watching these 80,000-pound rigs handled so recklessly is a real wake-up call. Safety and experience matter on the road. God bless the drivers who do it right.
Bye-bye trailer.
Watching these 80,000-pound rigs being handled so recklessly is a real wake-up call. Safety on our highways is sacred. Stay alert and God bless our safe drivers. Watching these 80,000-pound rigs being handled so recklessly is a real wake-up call. Safety on our highways is paramount. Stay alert and drive safely out there, folks. Seeing these 80,000-pound rigs handled so recklessly is a real wake-up call. Stay safe out there and keep your distance on the interstate. God bless. Watching these heavy rigs haul tons of timber through deep mud is incredible. True American grit. Those 18-wheelers handle the wild terrain like legends. Stay safe out there, boys.
Oh my god!
Watching these close calls at 60 miles per hour is a sobering reminder to respect the road. Safety first. Folks' life is too short for such risky moves. Stay alert and drive home safe. True grit. Watching this massive rig conquer 4 feet of rushing water and deep mud reminds me of old-school American toughness. Incredible skill and nerves of steel behind the wheel. Winter doesn't forgive carelessness. Slow down, stay alert, and respect the road, because one bad decision can change everything. If this video opened your eyes, hit like, subscribe, and stay safe out there.